This thing alone, it will allow a thief to come in, but the thief will never leave. I'm smiling now. The thief will never leave. We can bet money. The thief will never leave until you have come to release the thief. If you want us to do this kind of a job, no matter where you are in Africa, in Southern Africa, even in overseas, you still have to fly to Babu Dokotela, because this is not about DHL couriers. You have to come and grab this on your own. And grab this on your own, and then put your own words, put your own intention. I'm not going to speak on your behalf. I'm not an intercessor. You have to come and intercede on your own. And thereafter you take your broom and walk away. If you want us to help you with this kind of security, we have to call us. Set up an appointment. We've got what is called a call center. When you call, you don't speak to Babu Dokotela. That has to be said. Babu Dokotela does have a call center where you call and then they receive the calls and then they spread your information and they replicate it to me as well. The number to call is 076 as it's written there, 082 as it's written there, 063 as it's written there. Call all those numbers and thereafter someone in my call center will help you. Go to my WhatsApp, it's 0824591816. This is Babu Dokotela speaking, Sheikh in South Africa.